Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don reveal plans to give out interest-free loans to market people across the 3 senatorial districts to help boost their businesses, say in administration they committed to improve the livelihood of every Edo citizen and ensure say them sustain economic growth through empowerment of market people, businessmen and women where they play major roles for the economic development of the state. The governor yarned this one for Festival Hall for Government House Benin City, where they full with market men and women from the 18 local government areas of the state as they come gathered to congratulate Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo and the Deputy Right Honorable Dennis Idausa for the election victory. Governor Gov Okpebholo for in part contact the market men and women for the support wey dem give am and the deputy during the campaign and come promise say im go stand by them. Say from January 2025 dem go start to give market men and women interest-free loan to help them grow their businesses. Oga Governor come also talk say from January 2025 dem go begin big farming project for Edo State so that food go dey plenty for everybody.
This is how it should be. This is how it should be. A near Edo happens. There is no more black in the market. The end of black at the market has ended. For the first time, the wife of the president had an opportunity to operate in Edo, and she performed very well. Our old women were fully represented, the elderly men were fully represented, and they all smiled back. That is the menu. The hope, the new hope and the love of Mr. President is manifesting here. Now let's come back to it. Yes, sir. When I was campaigning, I promised you people to be cooperative. Yes, sir. If you have people, you are already cooperative. Yes. Interest-free loan for people. We're going to look at how we can give loan to the women and women to trade. Now, we are also going to go back to farm. We are going to make sure that food will be available for us. So by next year, January, we are going to start massive farming in Edo State. I want to thank all of you. I want to really thank you for the support I received during my election. Even when they try to buy you people with money, you refuse to be bought. So I want to thank you, and I will tell you I'm with you 24 hours. Thank you very much, and God bless all of you.
For her talk, Madam Josephine Ehagwezele, leader of the market men and women for Edo State, come talk say belle sweet her wella and say all the market people for Edo State they happy say them be the leaders. She come also talk say them go start fresh work for the market, say them don't clear all the bad unions and bad esco where they cause wahala and make things expensive for the market.
I want to really appreciate you and congratulate you, Your Excellency. We say on behalf of the Association of Community of Men and Women in Nigeria, not only Edo State, we want to say congratulations. We thank God for this grace that speaks for you, not only you, the grace that speaks for all of us. That today we are proud to have you as a governor. When we saw the good work you have started, we are pleased. You brought joy into our hearts. You made us proud. We want to say thank you. Our president in Nigeria, Tinubu, the first daughter of the President of Nigeria. She's the president and the leader of this association across the country. She's the leader of the market in the whole country. So after appointing me as the president of this association in Edo State, she didn't stop me. She wrote a letter straight to the Baba. She wrote Baba and sent one of the copy of the appointment letter to the palace, which the Baba acknowledged and gives me his praise. I want to assure you that in my time and in your administration, the Edo State market is going to take a new shape. If you can see what is happening in the market, we have really gone far and changed some persons that are making it difficult for the masses in the market because of the bad leader they were having before now. So what we did, all those executives have tried as much as possible. We removed them because they are not willing to change. When it comes to that junior inside the market, we have dissolved it. Of the union. So we have been going around to watch and monitor the control prices in the market. And we have been installing the new leaders who we can give our words to and they will honor. As I speak with you now, sir, let me start from even the business I'm into. I'm into rice business. I have a factory. Before now, we were selling a trailer load for 54 million. So when I came into power, then we begin to listen to all the complaints of these persons. What everybody is telling me, Mama, let it be in your time that there will be price control in the market. I started from my own factory. I brought down the price of the rice from 54 million to 53,400,000. I reduced 600,000 from each trade. My kids are here that we're into the business together. So, as I speak with you, the price of garri in the market from 40 or 60,000 is basic is now 30,000. The prices of a lot of commodities in the market have gone down. And I want to promise you, we will do more. We are still going round. In spite of the threats that I'm getting from them, I know that with your back, we can fight them. To start. I want to say we need your support because they are really threatening us. We need your support. You can talk to the Commissioner of Police to assist us, support us, because some of them, all these the former government people inside the market, they are resisting on that. They will never leave, and we cannot tell them what to do. They are fighting us, so we will need your support, sir.
Make una not forget say. As we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.